Hi, good morning. Welcome to Easy Money. I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Today, we have RBI Governor Shaktikant Das at 10 a.m. addressing the media. There is every chance of he announcing at least a minimum of 3 months moratorium, and thereby people who are paying their EMI can get a relief at least for next 3 months, and especially along with individuals who have borrowed loan, it will majorly help corporate sectors as well as MSME sector and small industries who have been massively hit because of COVID second wave. Also, the lockdowns which are happening, and also the strict seal downs and different measures taken by different state governments has really tumbled, and it has impacted the business of lot of small scale organizations. So for them, there will be this good news of 3 months moratorium. Watch out very closely. Today 10 a.m. live speech from RBI Governor Shaktikant Das, and our expectation of this 3 months moratorium minimum, which can come along with many more measures. Now, what else we have to watch? The rising COVID cases, which is seen as the second wave unfolds. Today, we have to also watch whether the rising COVID cases are halting or is it further rising. For me, the 4 lakh mark which we have touched per day is not at all something which is small. And even though we saw a small correction for last 1 or 2 days, I am again expecting these numbers to go back above 3,80,000 cases per day, and this is not good. And these are numbers happening in spite of the lockdowns and the strict measures taken by various state governments. Can we now ensure the vaccination drive can reach as many people as possible and major percentage of our population as early as possible? One of the very clear analysis and data says it will take at least end of July to even reach a number close to 20-25% of our population getting vaccinated. So can we make this drive more faster and ensure there is no much impact on the economy? Now, in today's market, we have to also watch very big results announced from Tata Steel. Is a major result announcing company today. Along with it, you have Adani Enterprises, and yesterday numbers from Adani Port was excellent. Even though the CFO resigning was not taken positive, still results were superb and the stock can act very positive today. And Adani Enterprise and Adani Green will declare results today, which might also be very positive. SRF will declare results today and expected to be a blockbuster result. Deepak Nitrate, a famous mid-cap stock which has multi-folded in terms of returns to its investors, is also declaring results today. FIIs continue to be sellers in the market. For me, last 3 days, if you see, FIIs on May 3rd sold a net amount of 2,290 crores. Yesterday, again, if you see, there is a sell figure, and on 4th May, they sold 1,772 crore. And yesterday also, they have sold a whopping number of 4,061 crore. So that means just for last 3 days, if you take data, they have sold over 7,500 crores just in last 3 days. And let me very clearly tell my viewpoint. And I want to say, even though this moratorium announcement today by RBI governor will be positive for banks as well as NBFCs, post this announcement and after the rally of banks and NBFC, we should see profit booking or correction, especially FIIs having been net sellers for last 3 continuous days is not good for short term. However, medium to longer time frame, we are clearly in a good uptrend and a huge profit. What we have seen and index level Nifty getting doubled from 7,500 to 15,000 plus levels is definitely seeing some profit booking for short term. Use this opportunity to buy great stocks. Market will be very stock specific, and especially metal stocks will do very good even in this downfall. And also focus on pharma as a sector which can also do good, and every dip can be used as a buying opportunity in metals as well as pharma. Let me give you my Nifty analysis for the day, and hope you will have a book and pen to make note of these wonderful levels. Nifty futures will have a very strong resistance at 14,770 to 14,800. Resistance levels are at 14,770 to 14,800, and I'm referring to Nifty futures level. So unless we cross this major resistance, any rise which happens to these levels because of moratorium announcement today will see profit booking. And on the lower side, support emerges on Nifty futures at 14,450. Similarly, Bank Nifty futures today has a major support at 32,200, and resistance will kick in at levels closer to 33,200 to 33,500. And stock specific today, PSU banks can do very good, and for intraday Canara Bank will be a great buy. Look at targets of 143, 145 and a stop loss of 139. Tata Chemicals results were very bad, and this stock can see sell on every rise. So rise to levels closer to 830 to 850 will be seen as an opportunity to short and get out of Tata Chemical. And all these updates are coming to you in your Easy Money show. I am your author, trader and trainer, C.A. Rudramurthy. Do join hands with me to spread right financial literacy. And any comments, any suggestions on the program, I really welcome you all to please give your comments below in the comment section, and forward this to as many people as possible in the social media for making easy money. And this is your updates which will come on a daily basis. Signing off, Rudramurthy. Enjoy and have a profitable day. Thank you.